Hi everyone. So I wanted to make this very quick video because the other day I was having this conversation and this was with a young person, and this person was going to a party and there was going to be alcohol at the party. Now, me being the supposedly mature, responsible adult, I thought I probably should have a conversation about responsible drinking. So this is how the conversation went, right? This person was saying that they were going to stick to cruisers for that night. And cruisers, and nobody knows what a cruiser is, it's not a cruiser, but it's a can, and usually cruisers have got about 4% alcohol in it. So this can is 300 ml and it's got 4% alcohol. Okay. Now, there was also going to be wine at this party. So I said to that person, be careful because wine has got a lot more alcohol in it. And we looked at a bottle of wine and something like this, very similar. Usually bottles of wine have got around 750 ml. And the one we were looking at the time had about 13% alcohol in the bottle. So during this conversation, the person was saying, yeah, but this has got 750 ml and it's got 13% alcohol, which means that usually there are about 4 standard drinks in a bottle of wine. So they had this idea that if they only had 1 glass of wine, it would be a quarter of the alcohol consumption in the entire bottle. And I went, no, that's not really how it works. And I was trying to explain why that is not the case. The misunderstanding was that if there's 13% in this 750 ml, then I would divide that and get a lesser percentage per glass. So it took me a little while, maybe 10 minutes or so, to explain to this person why that misconception or that misunderstanding is incorrect. It's such a common misunderstanding. I don't know how many times I have had this same conversation with people over the years. And in fact, I've written a blog about an experience that I had when I was shopping one day. And it's just a really interesting and important view about how people see and understand percentages, because they don't often see it as being a ratio. So a percentage is a ratio or a fraction out of the whole sort of that we're working with, but it is a ratio per 100. So if this is 750 ml, then the 13% will be 13 ml of alcohol per 100 ml of the wine. And same goes with this. For every 100 ml of this can, there's going to be 4 ml of alcohol. So that is how the percentages would work, but people don't see it that way because of the way that it's introduced and taught to a lot of our students. So I'm going to make another video about how I worked with this person to get them to understand a little bit more conceptually, and in the end they were like, oh my god, I can't believe I thought that. But it's like so many people do. So I'd love to hear your thoughts though on whether you have experienced this in the past, whether it's with your students, friends, family, or whether you yourself have thought that at some stage, and how you guys have worked through that situation. So I'd love to hear your thoughts, and till next time, see you later, bye.